For question 13, we are going to find the following limits. So for question A, limit when x approaches infinity for these polynomial functions. So when we substitute our infinity here, we will notice that we get infinity. Here also infinity plus infinity, we get infinity over infinity. So it will be our IDF form for limit at infinity. The method to solve this IDF is we're going to divide the highest power from the denominator. So our highest power from this denominator is x power of 2. So for every term of it, we are going to divide by x power of 2. Then we simplify our function, we get 2, then 1 over x minus 4 over x squared divide 1 over x squared minus 1. Then we can try evaluate our infinity here. We substitute our infinity inside, we will get 2, 1 over infinity minus 4 over infinity, and then 1 over infinity minus 1. Then we evaluate. When we have 1 over infinity or a number over infinity, we get 0. So here we get 2. So the denominator part we get negative 1. So final answer is negative 2. So the important concept here is we have to divide x squared for every term of it, which is our highest power from the denominator, for simplify our IDF form. Then we evaluate our limit at infinity to get to the answer. For question B, we're going to find the limit when x approaches 2 for this third function. As we substitute x equals to 2, we get 0. Here we get 0 also. So 0 over 0 is IDF. In order to solve this IDF, we are going to multiply with conjugates. Since we have third function, so we will multiply with its conjugate. So the conjugate of it will be 3 plus third x plus 7. So at the same time, we can see quadratic here. Our x squared minus 4 we can factorize. We let it in the factor form, which is x minus 2, x plus 2. Meanwhile, for conjugate part, we are going to simplify it. A minus b, a plus b will give us a squared, which is 9, minus b squared, so which is x plus 7. So when we simplify this, we can get negative x plus 2. So in order to simplify this factor negative x plus 2, we will try to factorize out the negative here from x minus 2. When I factorize out the negative, I can get negative x plus 2. Then we can get to the same factor where this can be simplified with the denominator part. Then lastly, we can evaluate our limit. Substitute our x equals to 2 for numerator, limit is 1. Denominator will be 2 plus 2, and then 3 plus 2 plus 7. So this will give us negative 1 over 24. So the important concept here will be multiply with its conjugate, and then our factorization for quadratic. Then we simplify our function and evaluate the limit to get to the answer.